Presenting A Garden of Curiosity, an immersive installation co-created by Minnie and Paul Smith for the Salone del Mobile. Set in the historic Palazzo Borromeo in Milan, A Garden of Curiosity adds yet another highlight to the rich history the collaborators already share. Connected by their British heritage and iconic designs, the two design houses come together to celebrate optimism, curiosity, and innovative spirit. The installation combines Paul Smith's signature use of colour with the eye for detail for which Minnie is renowned, and invites visitors to explore and enjoy the playful world of design. Paul Smith and Minnie complement one another perfectly, as our collaboration for this project demonstrates once again. We are united by the joy of design and our shared enthusiasm for craftsmanship, innovation, and individuality makes A Garden of Curiosity an experience full of colour, sound, and expression, said Holger Hampf, head of Minnie Design. Visitors immerse themselves in colour and sound, an experience for all the senses. Set amid the enchanted garden of the Palazzo Borromeo, the installation is accessed via a wooden footbridge that takes visitors across the courtyard and through a red door. The door represents a symbolic invitation to look and see. On the other side is the green space created by Minnie and Paul Smith. It consists of pathways that are lined with plants and grasses and lead to open platforms and cubic installations. The iconic Paul Smith signature stripe runs discreetly through the garden as a recurring design element. Architecture, textures, colour, and sound converge to create sensory experiences. Interactive theme rooms. The colour theory room acts as a visual intersection between Paul Smith's signature colour palette and the colours of the new Minnie Paul Smith edition. Visitors can arrange colour samples on an interactive wall, the overall picture changing constantly throughout the day, with each new personal design. In keeping with Sir Paul's philosophy, the wall also offers visitors the opportunity to experiment with colour combinations. The listening room builds on this experience with Sir Paul's voice recordings, highlighting the importance of colour theory. Another open platform invites visitors to experience the space with all their senses, allowing them to consciously enjoy a moment away from the hustle and bustle of Milan. Adding the joy of discovery to the installation, the new Mini Cooper convertible Paul Smith edition is waiting to be found and invites visitors to take a closer look. Its appearance and details not only reflect Paul Smith's distinctive style, but also capture the brand's playful, optimistic, and independent spirit. This exclusive highlight of the installation merges with the charming overall scene. I've always adored my visits to Milan for Salone del Mobile, and I'm delighted to be back in the city to introduce the world of design to my new Minnie. I look forward to sharing this special project with you all, said Sir Paul Smith. Heritage meets curiosity. Walking through the courtyard to the installation, visitors are immersed in the history of Minnie and Paul Smith. Here they can explore 3 cars from the collaboration between the two companies, which stretches back to 1998. The Paul Smith 40th anniversary Minnie, the Minnie Strip by Paul Smith, and another Mini Cooper from the latest edition. The specially created colour Nottingham Green adds stylish accents to the edition's mirror caps, octagonal radiator grille, and wheel hub covers with Paul Smith lettering. A selection of other details also reflects the distinctive style of Paul Smith and ensures this mini edition captures the essence of classic with a twist. The Paul Smith 40th anniversary Mini, a one-off car from 1999, whose bodywork morphed into a living work of art with 86 stripes in 26 colours. The interior also contained a surprising use of colour, for example the lime green glove compartment, and highlighted Paul Smith's playful style. The Mini Strip by Paul Smith, another one-of-a-kind creation, the Mini Strip of 2021, based on the Mini Cooper, was reduced to the essentials, as per the principle of less is more. The minimalist design put the focus on construction and function, with the aim of showcasing a new at the time, responsible approach to design. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news, advice, and reviews.